Hi, in this video, I will generate the main effect plot and signal to noise ratio plot for the criteria that we want to maximize or larger the better criteria. So let's go to stat, then DOE, then Taguchi, then analyze Taguchi design. Here click on the response that we want to maximize. I want to maximize the impact strength. Click on this one, then click on graphs. So select signal to noise ratio plots and means plot. Click OK. After that, go to the options. We want to maximize our response variable. So click on larger is the better. We can also call it higher is the better. Click OK and then click OK. In order to view only the output, click on this button, and after that here we got our plots. So one of the plot is for the main effect plot for means, and the second one is main effect plot for the signal to noise ratio. Let me copy these two graphs in the Word file. So these graphs are interpreting that with the increase in the GA level, our mean is increasing. With the increase in PST, with the increase in PST, mean is increasing, and same for the ED, increase in the level will increase the mean. However, with the increase in the level of RG, our mean or response value is decreasing. Very interestingly, we got exactly the same graph for signal to noise ratio because the criteria is larger the better. If we have the criteria smaller is the better, then we have the graph that are totally opposite in for the signal to noise ratio in comparison with the means plot. So here at the level 3 of the GA, we are getting the maximum value of the response variable, that is the impact strength. So we get the highest signal to noise ratio at the level 3 of GA. So that was all about. We can interpret the rest of 3 graph for the signal to noise ratio because they are resemble to each other. Thanks for watching the video. I've made a lot of other videos on Taguchi based signal to noise ratio, single objective optimization and multiple objective optimization. If you're interested, please data analysis optimization playlist and you can watch it there. Thanks a lot for watching the video. Bye.